Wait lang. Sorry mga kahigalaan. Kay gi-remove man ta. Yeah. So, wala na tayo oras. Manamilit na ko ninyo. Until next Sunday, see you mga kabon. Radio All for Music. Ang musunod ay naapaday tayo 3 minutes. 3 minutes more. So, pwede pa magpatugtog.
Who's waiting just for me? Even now I think about you as I'm climbing up the stairs, and I wonder what to do so she won't see.
Maraming salamat sa tanan niya nag-watch sa ang programa karon. Sa tanan nag-request at nag-like. Salamat. I'll see you next Sunday, guys.
And I can't believe it still could hurt so bad. Even now, when I have come so far, wonder where you are. I wonder why it's still so hard without you. Even now, when I come shining through, swear I think of you. And how I wish you knew.
1 minute.
Even now.
Salamat. Bye-bye.
Even now. When I never hear your
Bye
name.
sa tatay.
And the world has changed so much since you've been gone. Even now I still remember